Hello and welcome to this video on creating quick reports. Quick reports allow you to very easily create your own reports in NAV. To get started, we will navigate to the quick reports list using the search function. Here you can see a list of them. Press New to create a new one. From here, specify the table that you want to report from, for example the item table. Optionally, you could add a table filter, for example where inventory is not 0, but we'll leave this blank for the time being. Now, use the Add Multiple Fields function. Here we can highlight the fields that we want and press OK to add them to our quick reports. Show Report in the ribbon will run the quick reports. Here we can sort on any field or use the Group By function. This will let us group by any field on the report, for example vendor number. We are now looking at the total amount of items, as well as their costs and prices for each vendor. We can press Show Group to go into the items in this group. Pressing Show Card will open the normal NAV card for the record. Going back to the quick report definition, let's make this smarter. Enhanced fields, which allow you to create your own fields in the system, can be added to quick reports too. So in this example, we will add the vendor name as well as one or two others. If we want the quick report to run grouped by default, select the field that you want to group by and then select Group By. If we press Show Report now, you can see that it has automatically grouped and our enhanced fields have been added. Enhanced fields are a great way to add information to a quick report. If you want more advanced quick reports, then press Show More Fields. Here you can add a report table which lets you add a second table to it. You can also take data from a NAV query or a SQL query if you want even more complex quick reports. Press Save to use this report later. My report will mean only you can run it. Otherwise, you can make it available to others who have access to this table. Now we'll add a tile to run our quick report. Right-click and press New Tile. On the On click, press Run Quick Report and select the quick report that we've just created. Now we can run this with just one click.